Now let's see the topic of boats and streams. So in this topic, we assume that water is flowing in a stream, and just for the sake of simplicity, we always assume that water is flowing in one direction, let us say downwards, right? So which means if you assume that this is the water, right, I'll assume that water is always going to flow in this direction downwards, right? And now we'll have a boat, one boat or many boats, so it can move either in only two directions. It can move either in the for upward direction or in the downward direction. Now if you say that, let's say this is the boat, if you say that the boat is moving upwards, then it is actually moving against the stream, isn't it? Now this is called as upstream. If the boat is moving downwards, then it is moving with the stream, right? Therefore it is called downstream, right? Now if you observe it clearly, if you have to move fast, then definitely down the stream, if you go it, then you are going to move faster. If you go up the stream, then it is called as, then you will be going slower, right? So how to find out how much slow we will be going and how much speed we will be going? We shall see the velocity of the stream here, or the speed of the stream. Let us say the water is moving at a speed of s meters per second, right? And if you assume that the boat can move with a speed of b meters per second, then in case if the boat is moving up the stream, its velocity is going to reduce by how much? By the speed of the stream. Therefore up the stream, which means upstream, the boat velocity is going to be actually boat velocity minus stream velocity, right? Now if you observe this, if boat is moving slower compared to the stream, then instead of moving forward, it will move backward. That is where you are going to get negative number, right? So always if you are going to move up the stream, boat is supposed to move at a velocity greater than the stream velocity, otherwise it cannot move forward, so there will be no upward movement at all, right? Now if boat is moving down the stream means along with the water, then the speed of the boat is going to be increased. Then in that case, b plus s is the speed with which the boat will be moving. Here b minus s is the speed with which boat will be moving, and here b plus s is the speed with which boat is moving, right? It is actually same as the relative velocity concept, but with a small modification. Okay, now assume that the upstream speed is given and the downstream speed is given, which means the value of b minus s is given and the value of b plus s is given. Now they might ask you to find out what is the boat speed or boat velocity. Now in that case, once these two are given, then you can find out the boat speed as upstream plus downstream speed by 2, right? Upstream plus downstream speed divided by 2. If I add them both and divide it by 2, I am going to get the boat speed, right? In case if you want to find out the speed of the stream, right? So speed of the stream is going to be, if these two are given, if these two values are given, clearly you can see that downstream minus upstream, if you subtract this one from this one, then boat and boat will get cancelled, then 2 into s you are going to get divided by 2. So it is going to be downstream minus upstream divided by 2. Got it? So this is how you are going to solve the questions. So let's see, let's take examples one by one and I'll explain you how to apply these concepts there. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay, IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.